Meanwhile, amid the corruption allegations now engulfing the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, there's a call from Prime Minister Andrew Holness for the entity to be protected. Mr. Holness was speaking as he launched the region's first regasification plant, touting the importance of the CMU to Jamaica's energy future. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has more in this report.
Corruption allegations have been rocking the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU. The opposition has criticized the Prime Minister for being silent on the matter. On Friday, as he launched the region's first regasification plant off the coast of Old Harbour, St. Catherine, this was all he would say about the CMU.
Able to do this because we have a prime asset. That asset is called the Caribbean Maritime University.
He did not delve any further into speaking about the CMU, except to say its classrooms will provide the skills necessary for Jamaicans to operate plants to provide natural gas for various entities in the economy. The plant he was commissioning on Friday is the first step in that move. It is essentially a ship some 3.5 miles off the coast of Old Harbour that will receive liquefied natural gas LNG and then reconvert it to usable fuel.
From this platform, there is a pipeline that goes down how many feet? 70 meters to the seafloor, and then 3.6 miles directly this way into the Old Harbour plant.
That's the JPS's 190 megawatt power plant, which is the centerpiece of promises for cheaper, more stable electricity cost. That plant is expected to be commissioned sometime later this year, and already the Prime Minister is urging the JPS's CEO Emmanuel Darusso to ensure consumers see the savings.
We must bring our energy prices down for the average consumer. Amen, Mr. Darusso? Amen?
The regasification terminal is owned by New Fortress. It has been supplying the island with natural gas for electricity generation, but is also seeking a deal to outfit JUTC buses to use the fuel as well. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.